Nathaniel, MC, we are playing, bro. We are playing. Oh my God, bro. Who is? What? Who are you? Who is that guy? Who joined our party? Makeup artist, 2 members. Woohoo! What? We are fighting together. Oh no, I suck at this. No, he's literally gonna kill me in one tap, me man. Bro, how, bro? How, bro? And the combos there. Ouch. Oh, we cannot take damage. Okay, I know this. Oh, wait. Bro, he's literally good at aiming, man. No, how are you critting me? No, I lost the control. Die. You know what? We run. Bruh. I'm gonna go into a corner. I'm just getting in, bruh. Come on. Get it by two. Take it as it. Take it as it, bruh. Run naman. Run! Run! Okay, say gone. What did he say? You are going to train like that. Okay. Where is Brock? My God, bro, I like this settings. I think I like this, bro. Look. Move freely, man. You need to learn movement. I have movement. Oh my God. Oh, it's first one. Oh my God, who's Nikki? Oh my God. What is this? Don't need to this. Who is this? Oh my God. Why Nikki? Why Nikki, bro? Why Nikki? I don't know Nikki, man. I don't know Nikki. Bro, I don't know Nikki, man. I don't know Nikki. Oh, it's fucking Nikki the Camarada. Oh my God, bro, there's Nikki and he's literally watching me. Bro, kill me, man. Get me out of my misery. Thank you. Bro's getting combo again and again. Who's getting comboed? Who's getting comboed? Hell yeah, bro, this is K getting comboed. This Nikki is Maki, man. You're getting comboed, bro, and you're gonna die, idiot. Die. Die. Die for once in a lifetime. Bro. Oh my God, bro. I want another thing, not that, bro. I like Maggie, man. Make another one, bro. Make another game, man. I like playing, man. 4v4. Wait, 4v4. Who's gonna be my teammate? Are my teammates sucking like me? I'm gonna get it, bro. I'm good at my Bro, there's only two here, man. Why so? I need two more. Again and again. Man, you're such a good player than me. Please join the website, otherwise your mom doesn't like you. Woohoo! I'm the archer, man. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Huh? Where is bro going? Yo bro, where are you going? Where are you going, bro? Where are you going? Huh? Where is bro going? Where are you going, bro? Ouch! Where is bro going? Hello? Bro. Oh, I know this. This is good from Bedwars. That's a good thing, man. You died. Finally, I get that kill, man. Get a mother freaking kill. Die. Bro, died again. I'm so happy we are playing it together. Die. This cannot build up, bro. Oh my god! How did you survive that? Die! Come on, climb together. I'm a climb, bro. I'm a climb. That's a good game, man. This is a good game. I like this. This is getting my nerves up, man. Wait, bro. Die. Who's gonna get it first? Who's gonna get it first? Lol. LOL. He's bridging. I'm gonna survive. No. How did you not die? You guys. How did you not die? Die! Go die! Yes! I killed him again! I'm gonna kill 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 him again! Yes! Finally! I'm getting my comeback! Comeback for real! Our others is playing me and he's gonna come back, man. God, my aim is bad. Like my mom. Like his... Die! Huh? How? Oh. Bro fell? Big bro fell? Huh? Oh, record. I don't care if I lose it. I'm having fun. The champions! misery. Huh? Bro died? Okay. Bro, I'm killing him by a lot more more than. Bro died. Die. No, why did you not die? That's cheating. Bro, you're cheating or not? Tell. Oh, bro failed. Bro failed. Bro failed. How did you kill me? Are you cheating? Bro, are you cheating? Are you cheating right now? Are you cheating? Are you cheating right now? Are you cheating? Are you cheating right now? Are you cheating? Are you cheating? Guys, cheating right now. Bro, you're cheating. Bro, did not die that. I'm getting a lot of kills, but not the balls. Ah, I comboed them. Finally. Oh my god. Bros, icy bridging. Just do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Wee. Bro's gonna win this. I don't care. I suck at this game so much! Mojang! My god, why do I suck at every game, bro? Tell me why! I'm gonna cry, man. You're gonna build a castle, man. Why, bro? Castle. So, kill me, bro. I don't like it anymore. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me again. I'm gonna cry. Kill me. Yes. Kill me again. Kill me. Yes. Kill me again. Kill me. Kill me. Finally. Kill me again. Kill me. Kill me, brother. Kill me. How did I die then? Kill me, brother. Kill me, brother. Bro's gonna win this for sure in the once in a lifetime experience. Look. Now I'll take this. Who said I'm a noob? You mother... Wait. Yeah! Is this fake? Is this fake? Is this fake? Is this fake? Can you tell me, bruh? Is this fake? Oh, why is a stick fight? I don't care of the stick fight. Kill me. You can kill me. We die. We die too, bro. Who scored? Did I score, bro? Finally. Doing the strat again and again. Why do you fall? That's unfair. That's unfair. I fall. That's unfair that you fall. Nice one, bro. Kill me. Kill me. You know what? Let's do the tower thing again. Hey, I killed him. Okay, guys. If you want to see another me and Nathaniel playing Sekya, like and subscribe. Bye.